ADIL stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is ADIL Pharmaceuticals stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, ADIL stock pumping, it's doing its thing, it's going up, but let's zoom out and just kind of look at the broader picture, because you can see clearly here beforehand I was like kind of bearish, which then we went the complete opposite way. I just never sort of took no shorts here, because what the hell is this price action? You know what I mean? Like, it's not volatile enough. Yeah, it still ultimately comes down and falls down under the same umbrella unless the price breaks above 73 cents. I'm still counting this as something bearish, and if there is double breaks beneath 43 cents and onwards, sell side, welcome, right? But I'm waiting for rules. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. We'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. See you.